What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to navigate to where you can change the cursor movement from logical to visual in Excel. So here we have an Excel sheet, and to do this you go to File, to the bottom there's Options. After you select Options, on the left towards the middle there is a tab called Advanced. Click on that, and under the first category there's Editing Options, and at the bottom of the Editing Options subsection there is a category called Cursor Movement, and as you can see currently Visual is selected. You can just change that to Logical. And also, just as a quick note, there are a lot of other options you can change as well here. So for example, you can change the decimal separator to be from a comma to period, or back and forth, which is going to be important if you're sending your spreadsheet to a different country. And you can even, for example, make it to where your cursor movement will change after you press enter. So right now, if you press enter, the cursor moves down, but you can make it to where it will move up instead. For example, after you press enter. So with that being said, I really hope that y'all found this to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if there's anything I can do to improve. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.